Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special unboxing again because I got something from Louis Vuitton. This is a very special item because I had to pre-order about a week ago and it only arrived yesterday. So it's the Fall in Love collection that launched on July 2nd, and this is only available in Hong Kong. So let me quickly unbox it for you. Unfortunately, they didn't actually have a box at the store when I went to go get it yesterday. And so because I wanted to do an official unboxing for you all, I put it back. I have these boxes and I put it back. My CA did give me some ribbon and gift card just so that it looks all pretty for you all. So today is actually July 3rd, Saturday, and I'm just unboxing this during sunset time. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark. I do see that the sun is starting to set, so I'm going to quickly show you this wonderful item to you. Very excited because I haven't seen anyone else do an unboxing of the real product. Only photos online. So here we go. You see a little bit. It is the heart shape or heart box bag from the Fall in Love collection, July. So this was shown or revealed from Foxy LV on Instagram, and I wanted to get this because I wanted to get the heart-shaped bag from the Game On collection last time already, but that one first was very hard to get. I think even if you're a VIP, you had to, it was really limited quantity, but that wasn't as special as this one to me because this is actually a Hong Kong exclusive, which is limited edition, and the fact that it's actually a black strap and not the fajetta compared to the Game On collection, I'm so happy that I waited and got this one because I think this is going to be such a collector's item. So let me just quickly open it and show you guys the inside. Okay, it didn't come in a box, so she put the receipt into the bag, so nothing to see. And the inside, it comes with this kind of like a bag charm, which is a lipstick. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm also really into beauty products, and this really matches my kind of aesthetics. Let's see the material on this. It's so pretty. I didn't know that the back had the monogram. This is leather. And I think you can put it on the box, like right here. Yep. And hopefully you can all see that this one's made in Italy. So this strap will just go alongside. I think it's kind of different in the way that it has these holes. And then you can put it to whichever length you want. Say for example, I do it up to here. So guys, for those who are unaware, LV removed their date codes in the beginning of March or April of 2021, and so these products will not have a date code anymore. But at the shop, what I did was I asked my CA to use their RFID scanner on their phones, which only the CAs or the client associates at LV would have. And I asked her to do the date or authenticity in front of me, and I took a photo. So I'm going to put that authenticity just right here so that you guys could see how it will appear on an LV phone. You would not be able to do the same with your phone. I mean, I downloaded an NFC app, which I believe you can maybe get some scanning, but it's not the same details. So that's it, guys. This is my new Fall in Love collection, Hong Kong exclusive. And yeah, the heart-shaped bag, or the HEARTBOX. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't liked this video already, please do so below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.